Okay, tonight we have something very special to show you. Everybody out there, it just showed up. Guess what? Oh my goodness, where did it come from? Oh moly moly. We got it from Microsoft. And what does that mean, everybody? Well, apparently we got something very special here from Microsoft today. And it was just dropped today. Today and today only. Oh yeah, today. Not too many people can get a hold of this thing. I'm going to have to cut this thing open. Get to cutting, my lady. Huh?
Open it already?
Cut that sucker.
I mean, seriously.
Cut the sucker.
Never. It's like
so
Christmas
what is it?
For you.
What is it? Open this thing. So nobody really knows exactly what this is. But somebody...
Oh, it's not going to be an easy
It's not going to be easy. So...
Ooh, that's really sticky.
Oh, what is in here, everybody? Oh my goodness. I might need help removing.
Yeah, you're gonna need help.
You might need help removing.
Alright.
So this thing here, you cannot get at GameStop. You know how I know? Well, because GameStop is kind of falling apart. They don't have anything in stock. In fact, I just called them on the phone just to check because I'm that type of person. And, you know, GameStop should have something like this. The manager of the store at GameStop should be ordering these things by the bulk load, you know, for his store. And holy smokes, this is what we got from Microsoft. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. So anyways, it just released today. So those who pre-ordered it will have it right away.
Want me to open it?
Heck yeah, we're opening it. I don't need no sealed box. I got 20,000 of these coming. We're going to be eBay masters. Hold on now. It's not going to... So, as everybody knows, okay, this is an unboxing of... hold on, let me show some of the box here. Apparently, you know, we're going to try to get some shots here showing you 4K gaming, 8K gaming, dinosaur gaming. Comes with real dinosaurs. I don't know what all that stuff is, but, you know, pretty cool, huh? So, a lot of people, you know, wonder the unboxing of this thing. Well, you can't get these at the stores. You know, like I said, I called GameStop. Guess what their answer was? Well, let me look. What are you talking about? Galaxy. What is the Galaxy 2 terabyte Xbox? I never heard of that. That's what I get from GameStop. Well, GameStop, if you have people working there that don't know what they're doing,
they shouldn't be working there.
Yeah, they shouldn't be working there. Or maybe they should be fired, you know? I mean, just come on, you know what I'm saying?
How do you not
so
know
just
that's
kind of
coming out?
rotating this thing. I mean, you work at a game store, you should be in the games. I mean, okay, if you know who I am, you should know about me. And there we have it, folks. Opening this up. Ooh, wow. Ooh, wow. You know, and what is that? Some sort of strange writing.
It's coming up.
It's dinosaur writing. Oh, it separates. Oh, whoa.
Right there.
Whoa, what is this? Why is there like these weird,
Marks
circular things
it's
here?
on the bottom of the box. Yeah, it's on the bottom of the box. See? Bottom of the box.
Bottom of the box had circles for some reason, people. We're not too sure why. But apparently it took a hard hit in this corner. As you can see, not too happy with that. As you can see, a little box damage, you know. This ain't no premium box, you know. Now see, if you remember at the beginning of this video, she had to cut this thing. Well. Get a hint there, Nintendo. Because if you buy Nintendo products, you'll see they don't come sealed anymore. Like if you bought that Zelda Collector's Edition or Zelda Switch OLED, well, it does not come sealed. So as you can see, you've got these little blockers in here, just like pieces of cardboard. And when you get to this point here, you're like, what do you do? So apparently we have a lot of box that came with some extra box. We don't know what all that is.
Packing.
It's like some bad packing. Fudge bad packing. Come on, get it in there. Get it in there. What? Wait, we'll unveil.
Ready?
No.
No.
We have to get this just right. We don't know. We don't know. No, it's backwards. It's over here. Oh, yes. Wait, maybe not. We don't know where it is. Isn't there a button?
There should be.
We're so bad at doing these unboxings, but we should just keep doing them. So, anyways, I don't see it. I don't know. It should be. It should be. Oh wait, I see. It's over here on this side here, right down there.
Not.
It's on this side then.
You know what?
On one of these sides. Hold on. Hold on, everybody. We're figuring it out. It's backwards. We're not videotaping the backside. We're not. Okay, so basically, the unveiling here.
It's right there.
Shall we go up? And we're going up. Dun 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 dun. Okay, everybody. As you can see, there's the button I was looking for. And it has this special paint job made in the galaxies. As you can see all the way around, it is special, like me, special ed, all the way around this thing, except for this very back top. Now look, there's a hole in here. What does that hole lead to? The fan. And so the back, or the very top, you can see there's, the other Xbox will have green in there. Maybe this fan is a higher end fan, you know, which I really like. Whenever you look at the bottom, it has the green base. As you can see, it says something strange on there. Something about like,
don't drop.
Hello from something.
Get out of the way.
Seattle. Hello from Seattle.
Mm-hmm.
Why does it say hello from Seattle? But when I just rotated this, I seen that there are green fins in there. They're just kind of hidden if you look straight down. Or at certain angles, you don't see it. I don't see it at this angle. But yet at other angles you do. Okay, well, it's in there, something. So anyways, you've got this custom Xbox. And let's see. What came in here, Miss Helper Lady? Got me an assistant.
Huh. Is that what you call me?
I don't know.
There you go.
Now, they said this is a custom assistant. No assistant. Assistant is broken. Broken assistant.
Not broken.
So they apparently wrap these specially. Not in Taiwan and not in China and not in Japan. But we don't know where. But as you can see, the custom controller has Galaxy paint on it. Now I wonder if these dots all look the same on all the other ones. Are they all matched up? We don't know. So the controller is pretty cool. You know, it is what it is. It's got those special little button things and whatever it does. You know, it's just special. Everything's special with this. Now, like I said, everybody, I need you all to know this. It's as a fact. Call your GameStop today, October 15th, 2024, and you're going to find out they're going to say, what is that?
We don't know what that is.
We don't know what the Galaxy Black Xbox is that's 2 terabyte that comes out today. So I was like, well, you should know. And the manager there really should have. And I called 2 GameStops today just to find out. And the other one's like, no, we don't carry that. And the other one that I called, they were like, we don't know what it is. And then they searched it and found it. And they're like, no, that would be something. We don't really order consoles. You have to pre-order them. We don't get consoles in. And I'm just like, who's running GameStop? You wonder why they're going out of business and why, they just cannot produce. If I was the manager of GameStop, I would have ordered at least 10 to 20 of these, put them on the shelf, mark them up an extra $100 and say, hey man, you want them? So anyways,
They're not even trying anymore.
yeah, I would at least mark it up because that's the 10 or 20 only in the area, only games, if somebody ordered. But anyways, we got this plug and play action thing and, pretty cool. And, I'm not gonna hook this up and play this right now. This is getting put away. It did become an opened box because of me, but I had to let everybody know. And look at these batteries. They're so high-tech. They come right out of there like some sort of high-tech video game. Like, look, who thought of that, huh? Not PlayStation, huh? Yeah. Yeah, so anyways, it comes in, I'm going to guess Duracell, because we know Duracell does last longer than Energizer. And I have proof of that because I have a whole pack of Energizer I got from Sam's. Look at these special edition Duracell batteries. Fucking, you know, they come in whatever that foreign language that's on there. We don't know, you know. But anyways, check this out. You know, you got some game book stuff here. What is this? We got the manual, how to set it up. Well, everybody knows how to set something up, right? Look at this special stuff. Special stuff. And then, you know, you can download the app to download whatever you got to do there on the setup. And so it's very special. You know, it's one of a kind. You're not going to find this anywhere. Look, there's even a sticker down here, everybody. A high-speed ultra sticker, whatever that's all about. It says it's a certified cable, but, you know, I usually buy monster cables, or I buy the most expensive damn cable that's awesome out there. And I did find some Amazon ones that were pretty good. But this is just a little product thing that really doesn't say anything. It's got like 5 million languages in it. It's like, I can't read, you know. I never did read. You know, I just kind of wonder, people down there in the comments section, can you tell me how many of you people actually read these things? You know, it probably says not to, you know, hook it up a certain way when you plug the power in. But, yeah, so, I guess this is their supposed certified cable. Ultra high speed HDMI. I still know that it's a knockoff, you know. Is that even gold connectors? It's maybe a light coating of gold on there. It's not solid in any way. So for these to really be, you know, these are decent, I'm sure, you know, and I could use it. Seems like a good thick here and stuff, but basically the cables these days, they're just mass produced and stuck on the thing, and boom, you're done. I mean, China pops them out left and right, 4 million a day, you know. So as far as it goes, this is the console of the year, okay? The problem with PlayStation 30th anniversary, you can't even buy them, you know. It's impossible. Apparently Japan set some sort of restrictions that you have to have a PlayStation account and all this other stuff, and 30 hours of game time or something. And, you know, they only made 12,000 of them. Well, that's not any good. 12,000 when the population is 5 billion or something like that. Or I don't know. It's like 20 billion, quadrillion, you know. So anyways, the point being is, you know, the reason why PlayStation couldn't mass produce the 30th anniversary collector's edition is because it costs too much to make, and they only got so much money in approval. The truth is Microsoft is extremely powerful, and they're so powerful that they bought out other companies and made everybody mad. So, you know, the problem we have with Nintendo is that, you know, they're trying to stop the people on eBay from mass marketing and jacking up the prices on these consoles. Like, basically, say the Zelda, for instance, OLED, all of the stuff that comes out, unless if it's the game, does not come sealed. It does not have a sticker on it. It is not sealed in plastic. The consoles do not come sealed in plastic. They do not come with a sticker. They literally just open like a tab, like a box. And that is their idea to prevent scalpers and price markups, you know. And, you know, because it's technically an open box. And yes, the Zelda Collector's Edition or whatever OLED Switch, it has no seals. You literally can just open it. Go watch the videos online. You'll see. I was thinking about making a video on it. We'll see. But today, first opening, October, it has arrived. For all of those people worry out there, this is most excellent. You can't find one of these things anywhere. You can't go to the store. Now, Best Buy would be another option if I were you. Best Buy usually holds true. Anything you order from there or whatever, if you got a good Best Buy store, they'll actually buy some of these, put them in stock. They're not ultra limited. If you order them, Microsoft will fill that order. Okay. Your best bet is to have a Microsoft account, order it and fill it and get it. Microsoft sends it to your door that day. Now, if you order today for this Microsoft Xbox Galaxy 2 terabyte, if you order it today, they say that it may be postponed till, like, your delivery of it. You may not get till October 21st or up to November 16th or something like that. So it could take a couple weeks to get if you order today. But if you pre-ordered it, you get it today, and that's what they did. Okay, so I don't know. When I tried to order this thing, it said oops on the screen, and oops. That's because it was day 1 of announcement. And so I gave it a couple days and tried again, and it said oops. And then I gave it a week and it said oops. And then I gave it a month and almost a month, and it said oops. So the reality here was every time I clicked and it said oops, it actually gave me an order number, and there was no way of knowing that until like literally 2 weeks before, literally like 2 weeks, my credit card calls me, or actually it wasn't my credit card, my bank I think called me, and they said, hey, what the hell is this? And I go, well, I don't know. And it was like basically almost $700, $640 or what was it? Something like that. It's like $5.99. So plus tax and shipping. You are looking at, your card company gonna block it. All the card companies are gonna block the transaction probably right away, unless if you have it open for Microsoft. And I have like a security feature on mine to where anything over a certain amount of money, they call me on the phone and say, hey, is this you? So that's good though. But anyways, the reality here, most excellent Xbox. I'm going to put it away and save it. The worst part is whenever you order these by yourself and it's not shipped in bulk. Like, see, those people that buy these in like 20 at a time, it'll, like for like department stores or whatever, there's a good chance you won't get something like this because this was caused by shipping. This was not caused by Microsoft. They don't come off the line like this. Okay, so that's something that you got to take into consideration. If you're ordering just one, people that order a box, how many fit in a box? They could do 5 or 20 or whatever, and Microsoft fills that order. You could get, I got day 1 release, my console number is going to be hidden from the public because this console number is actually a really rare number. They sent me the number and they said, your product is fresh off the line. Look at your number. And it does have a 1 in it, just so you know. But anyways, we won't be talking about that today. So, as far as it goes, get it while it's hot. This is the first unboxing of the new console. I'm sure there'll be other people online, but they don't have the order number that I have. Till next time, everybody, watch out for dinosaurs. Oh, yeah. Dun, dun. Dun, 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 dun.